Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2022 Can-Am Outlander Max in the 650. We've just installed the Tusk street legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it works. So on the Tusk kit, you're going to incorporate a new turn signal switch up on the dash that you see here. You do have to turn it on if you would like the system to be on. It is wired separately. So you're going to rock this switch on. You got your loud horn style button there, and then a simple left and right operation. Left will obviously be left. You've got those 3/4 inch amber LEDs. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole will work. That's the placement that we've chosen. And then on the rear, very nice. You can see it from every angle. It's nice, it's bright, and it's small enough, but it gets the job done. You also have that license plate mounting hardware, as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night, as you see there. This kit also comes with the bar end mirror. You do need one mirror to be street legal here in the state of Utah on an ATV. Right, just rock it to the right. Very nice. This kit is available for every ATV on the market. Check with your local state to find out what the requirements are in your state. In Utah, this kit satisfies all the needs to be street legal. Once you get the street legal kit installed here in Utah, you will need to get it inspected, and then you're able to make it street legal. 435-427-3338. Have a great day, everybody.